So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to review this handle guard. So first of all I will talk about the pricing. So first of all I have got it for around 535 bucks, but I would like to say that please don't pay more than 650 bucks or 700 bucks because it is not worth more than that. That's why. So then for fixing it you will be needing a small band like this, and do see the threads, because if the threads are out then it cannot be stitched in your handle, and you need to cut your grips. And I think if your levers you need to get adjust, because like this the levers can come like this, and obviously this thing can scrub and this thing could break, or your brakes wouldn't work properly. And I've taken it in red, but still it would look like orange, the camera can't justice it. But you need to do kind of, wait a minute, cut your handlebars little bit, your grips on both the sides. If you will do it properly then obviously it will come more properly. And one thing I would like to show you, wait a minute, let me bring that thing, then only you will kind of understand it. Because wait a minute, yes I have got it. You let me show you. So this one is the product. So guys, this is it. You need to cut this from this, because this part if you won't cut then this handle guards won't sit in your handle at all, because this part is kind of more bigger. It makes this bigger and this can't be fitted like this. Obviously if you want a little bit of support then you can put it like this, but still I don't prefer it because it is not that much, because over here there is a lot of gap. That's why I'm saying this. If you will put this also then also it will break, but still the build quality is truly very nice. Still it's little bit flexible. It can take only 1 to 2 at least, or maximum 3. So you can see this bar end. So this won't come in full hole, you need to put it, wait a minute, let me hold the camera first. You need to hold it like this, little bit you need to squeeze it in like this. Then let me put this handlebar on this side. Wait a minute. Then you will be needing a torque range like this. Then what you have to do, let me say you. So you will do, so here it is. So you need to put it in your handlebar, and obviously the race side of it, the grips, you need to cut it little bit more, otherwise it won't stick. So first of all you need to take this part, and then what you have to do, let me tell you. You just need to bang this, wait a minute, let me on the flash, then you would be more easier to see. So you need to push it properly and put it in. So this how the look comes. Wait, this would go a little bit down. So this is the whole look how it looks. So guys, this is all for the video, and I would like to say you the bar and prices. So it can go till 30 bucks, 20 bucks, or a maximum you would pay for it is 60 to 70 bucks. Please don't pay more than that because it is also cheap, it can break. And so these guards are not that much kind of tight over here, that's why you need to put M-seal over here little bit. Please don't, I would say you that you use bond, because if you will use bond then it would not be a headache if this bar end breaks also, because it is kind of out of the handle, that's why I'm saying that. And if it breaks also you don't have to take any worry, and if the threads are out then also you can use M-seal over there, and obviously Fevikwik is there only. But still I would say you that please don't put it permanently in your handles. I am saying for that, for this the bar end. But obviously this looks nice on the scooter, obviously on especially Optima or Maestro, any scooter you can put it. But if you are having a kind of, if you are having a bar end with a screw then it's truly easy, but If you don't have, then you need to buy this or the FZ. Wait, if I am having it, then I am showing it to you. Yes, I am having it. Wait a minute. I know the video is getting longer and longer. So here I have got it. So this bar ends, this gets tightened by a nut. So you can put this one also, because this one can get break because it is kind of out of the body. That's why I'm saying this. But still you can use it. And if you have, yeah, I would like to say that it is just for one time in, because if you will take it out and then again put in, then obviously it will get loose. And if you will put bond on your guards, wait a minute, let me show it to you properly. Over here on this side, if you will put bond or M-Seal or Febiquick, then obviously after several times you need to repair this also. I mean, the bar ends, I have said you in the video, you need to put M-Seal on it, then only it will be proper. And obviously if you are cutting this, then it's very good. If you are not cutting it, then obviously you could face some problem. You can see the race is although free, no problems, but obviously this would vibrate because here is a lot of gap. You can fill it with something other, like this part also you can put over here, but still it kind of looks ugly. This, now this part has one more clamp, you can put that also there with. Over here you can put it with M-Seal, and over here you can put it with tape, double-sided tape, because this one has one more adapter which is kind of small. You can check in the description, I will give in the description. You can see how many clamps does it gives. So guys, this was all for the video. I hope that you all have liked it. So bye guys, I'll see you in the next video.